Okay, so we are back to where we left off. We learned how to let the motor sweep a certain angle at a specific speed, and now we want to take a look at how to make it make a certain number of revolutions at a speed. And what we need to do is to just change the on for degrees to on for rotations. So I'm going to make this rotations. We maintain the speed and we specify the rotations that you want it to make. So I will say rotations is equal to, let's say, 1, and I want it to do that at 50% of its maximum rated speed. So let's go to the workbench and see what this code is going to produce. So I expect it to make one rotation, sorry. So let's wait. And you can see that the motor makes exactly one rotation at the speed of 50% of its maximum rated speed. Let's come back to the code view and see the line of code that we used. So you specify the speed and the number of rotations. If you're paying attention, you realize that the on for degrees and on for rotations have a relationship. So this is what we had for on for degrees. So on for degrees, and over here you specify speed and you specify degrees. Sorry. So if let me change this to 360 so that the equivalent. So if I call on for degrees at 50% and the degrees is 360, it is the same as on for rotations and setting rotation to 1, because when the motor makes one full rotation, it is actually traveling 360 degrees. Okay, so let's run this code and we should expect that the motor is going to make 2 complete rotations. The first one is going to happen because of line 10, and the second rotation should happen because of line 11. So let's switch to the workbench and let's see what is going to happen to our motors. The motor, sorry. So I expect 2 complete revolutions, and we expect the first one and second one. So you can see that you can call either on for rotations or on for degrees depending on how you think about your code. If you are more comfortable thinking in terms of rotations, go for it. If you're more comfortable thinking in terms of degrees, go for the on for degrees. And always remember that you can change the direction of rotation by negating either the speed or the degrees. So I'm going to negate this, and so the net effect of this code is I expect one full rotation clockwise and one full rotation counterclockwise to get it to the point where we started from. So if we go to the workbench now and we run this code, we should expect one clockwise rotation and one counterclockwise rotation. And that is precisely what happened there. So this is it about controlling the motor to travel a certain amount of degrees at the specified speed. And always remember, you can use these convention functions to convert from degrees per second to the speed percentage, revolutions per second to the speed, and revolutions per minute to the speed that you want. So this is it, and thank you for watching. I will see you in the next video.